Claim, is BJP only party to field more than 272 seats in Lok Sabha elections? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. As the election fever is heated up, several claims and counter-claims have been traded by all the political parties. One such instance came from the BJP when PM Narendra Modi, in a public meeting at Banaskantha, Gujarat, on 1st May 2024, claimed that no party other than BJP is contesting more than 272 seats in 2024 Lok Sabha elections.
આ વખતે કોંગ્રેસની સ્થિતિ એવી છે તમારે સરકાર બનાવી હોય ને તો ઓછામાં ઓછી 272 સીટો તો એમપી જોઈએ તમારી પાસે. અમારી સિવાય ભાજપ સિવાય આ દેશમાં એક પણ પોલિટિકલ પાર્ટી કોંગ્રેસ પણ 272 લડાવતા જ નથી. બોલો, એટલે તમે 272 લડાવતા નથી અને કહો અમે સરકાર બનાવીશું. આજે તો એમની સ્થિતિ એવી છે કે આ એમનું જે શાહી પરિવાર છે ને દિલ્હીમાં રહે છે એમની દશા એવી છે કે પોતે આ વખતે કોંગ્રેસને વોટ નહીં આપી શકે. બોલો, આ મોદી સાહેબની કમાલ જ છે. શાહી પરિવાર કોંગ્રેસને વોટ જ નહીં આપી શકે. આ વખતે ત્યાં કોંગ્રેસનો ઉમેદવાર જ નથી.
Since the Lok Sabha elections are being held in 543, the majority party should get a minimum of 272 seats. Hence, Modi said, if you want to form a government, then at least 272 seats are required. Except for the BJP, no political party in the country is contesting 272 seats, and then they are saying they will form the government. Fact check. Truth, the claim is false. Not only BJP but even Congress has fielded more 328 candidates in the race for Lok Sabha elections in 2024. Fact check details. Since only two national parties are there in India which can claim to have fielded the maximum number of candidates in the Lok Sabha elections, we checked for the Indian National Congress official handle at the rate INC Sandesh, where the party has been releasing the names of candidates since the elections were announced in March. As of 22nd April 2024, the consolidated number crossed 300. The additional announcements made so far add up to the consolidated list of Lok Sabha candidates contesting on Congress ticket as of 3rd May 2024 reached at 3 to 7, when Rahul Gandhi's name for Rai Bareli was announced along with KL Sharma's name for Amethi in Uttar Pradesh. Hence, the implied meaning that Congress has not fielded even the minimum required figure of 272 candidates to form a government at the centre is not correct. The available data shows both the national parties have fielded more than 272 candidates in the race for Lok Sabha seats in 2024. Claim, no party other than BJP is contesting more than 272 seats required to form a government on its own at the centre. Conclusion, not only BJP but even Congress has fielded more 328 candidates in the race for Lok Sabha elections in 2024. Rating, misrepresentation. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, Digiti.in.
Subscribe to our channel Digiti India.